Hi, all of you all. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. Before proceeding further, I just want to introduce myself that I am an English learner. I upload videos on this YouTube platform, and I just came here to basically build a belief to a lot of people who are struggling to speak and they do have a fear of speaking in front of people. So this is what I'm going to remove. Lots of people are having it in inside of themselves. So this video is all about like how we can remove the inner fear and just started to believe in ourselves that we can basically speak English. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So as I'm also a English learner, and sometimes I also stuck while speaking. So most of the peoples are fear of like while speaking. Most of the peoples are fear of stuck while speaking. So because of that, because of the embarrassment, they are unable to basically speak, right? This is the main reason. And if I talk about the other thing is they basically we need to actually uh, believe our mind that we can speak fluently in English language because we created this language so much difficult in our minds that our mind do not want to basically uh, succeed in this succeed as to basically speak, right? So this is the main reason. Otherwise it is very easy to basically speak. And if I talk about like most difficult language, Mandarin, if you do not know, you can search it. So yeah, this is the main reason basically. And if I talk about like ourselves, we have learnt this language from our childhood, right? And just there is one fear which is community built in Indian society only, that learning English is difficult in basically majority in the middle classes, I believe, because most of the people can get a lot of things after learning English language, right? So yeah, this is the main reason. First of all, for removing this fear of speaking, we need to start from the scratch, basically start from the beginning, where you start where you think that I want to speak in English language. From day only, just start speaking, because the more you started speaking, the more you get words and the more you get confidence. This is what matter while speaking, and this is how you gradually improve yourself towards speaking, right? So that is most important, because building a confidence, a thing which is lacking most of the people's. And it's I also find difficult while starting, and without having a confidence. Like most of the time I feel the same way. But yeah, I just try to take some time and take a deep breath and just start from where I left it. So you also seen me like in YouTube platform where I am continuously working on English speaking, but there are some days because no, I'm not getting the result, then I have basically stopped uploading the video. This is the reason most of the people think that we are not getting some sort of reward, or you can say no, we are unable to see the improvement, so that's why we stop. So improvement going to happen if we think in our mind that we are consistent toward working, and we are basically keep our mind to basically improve ourselves. This is most important. If we think that no, it's we cannot do it, no, we cannot do it, and no, I cannot do it, I didn't do it. So these are the things which are making us lazy in terms of speaking or doing some other activity. So this is most important. We need to cover this and just try to basically believe in your mind that you can actually do it. So from the day you believe, from there you convince your mind, the day the you are going to start seeing your improvement. So otherwise you will see only the mistakes as we are doing. So always focus on the positive sides. This is most important. I think I'm able to cover what is the important thing which you need to focus on while speaking. So for today's video, that is it. I hope I'm able to actually help people who are struggling to speaking. Bye bye, have a good day ahead.